What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you with a slay today. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope you're being great to yourself and each other.
Let the church say subscribe.
Sometimes I live my natural hair dreams out through wigs.
See, my natural hair is fine.
This style was very easy to do. It's very cute. I'm gonna give y'all the details right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Cousin on my YouTube side. Hey, you the bomb. This wig is named Curls Always Poppin'. And it has been brought to you by HerGivenHair. Y'all already know the deal with HerGivenHair. They specialize in textured hair. I have worn so many of their units, y'all. I'm always thoroughly impressed. Now, I did a blue and yellow flexi rod set on this hair. This Curls Always Poppin' wig is a banged wig, okay? So it was perfect for this particular look. This is a 4x4 closure, so you do not have to worry about lace from ear to ear. Literally, this is plopped on, y'all.
And it's gonna be plopped off when I feel like taking it off.
Put your wigs in the wig bag and then put it up when you're done with it. Don't just take it off and swap it. It's a 3B 3C curl pattern. It's like a kinky curl, but a loose kinky curl. It's a natural color. I'm gonna show you what I did to get this look. Yeah, I like this so much. This is so cute. I love this stuff. Biotin and collagen. It is a strengthening oil, okay? I just put some of this on my fingertips. I separated the hair and I picked the hair. Don't pull it all the way through to the end, okay?
Don't do that.
And I put on my earrings and I said, let's get it. So this is a blue and yellow flexi rod set. Big shout out to HerGivenHair. Curls Always Poppin'. I love this. Let me get y'all to the demo.